folks. Weekly what's new? Take 46. What's new this week in the shop? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I got a few Honda parts in. I ordered some things. I found some stuff, and that's pretty much it. There's not a whole hell of a lot going on this week. Weather's getting warmer, so there should be a lot more going on. Probably getting closer to move this garage and blah 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 whatever. What else? I worked on a sign last week. I'm probably gonna come here tomorrow and do some things that I want to do and get them out of the way. I gotta finish welding up the sandblaster and get that done because absolutely needs to get done. So it's about I don't know. It's about maybe 75% done. It's just a little cone in the bottom needs to be welded and ground down and whatever. So but I got two more pieces of metal to patch in, which should be fine. So and it doesn't have to look good. It doesn't have to be good because it's going on the bottom and nobody's ever gonna look at it. It's just gonna fill with sand. So with that said, what was I gonna say? There's not much else going on. I haven't done much. I haven't ordered many tools. I'm pretty sure everything in here is rusting from lack of use. I got a pile of junk in my way, which I know I probably should clean the desert up, but I promised I'm not cleaning up until I move out of this place. Because the other place, I could just pile all the junk on one side and make it look good on the other side. And maybe if I turn the camera, I'll show you the mountain of junk. Plus, I figure when I move out of here, I'll binge and purge some stuff. So, and maybe get it better organized temporarily until I build another shop and get out of that one. So it's like jump, jump, jump. I do have gum today, but I'm not going to chew it on camera for you because I'll be a little politer. But other than that, as for like me doing stuff on the channel, I haven't done much really. I have a lot of stuff I want to do, but I just haven't had time. It's been like one of those crazy like nonstop. Right, this week I went over the border. What do you call it? Monday? Found out it was a holiday, and then had to go back because the bank was closed on Monday. I had to go back on Tuesday to pick up. My whole truck was full, so I had to go back on Wednesday to get all the smaller stuff. And I guess it was what, President's Day. I guess in this case it'd be National Dementia Day. I don't know, whatever. So, what else? That's pretty much it. I mean, I don't even like I. Anybody on here probably knows I could make this into a 7-minute video, but no, I probably stretch this to about 3.5 minutes. So I will be doing some more Honda work. I will be doing some more welding work. I will probably try to just to get away from that. I'm gonna try to fix this Wilton vise in the meantime. It's getting warm enough where I can heat up the vise, give it a few more tack welds, and finish it so it looks a little better. Other than that, because I want to put the Wilton on my bench, and it's still too cold to paint, and it's a little cold to weld, but it's not that cold. I mean, I know it's probably not cold to weld because you weld at all temperatures, but the garage has no heat, and I don't know. There's so much shit near my door. I'm probably gonna burn the garage down before this thing ends. If you're subscriber number 1460 or 61, I'm not sure because every time I get a couple of subscribers, YouTube land takes them away for a while and they show up again. Thanks for subscribing. I'm still just a channel, me yapping away, making stuff, doing whatever. So if you're new here, thanks for watching. If you are watching the videos, please do watch the whole thing. It helps me with watch time. I'm this close to getting almost 3,000 hours because apparently there's like YouTube changed it. There's like 3,000 hours and 4,000 hours. You get monetized. So I think if I get 3,000 hours, I can be partially monetized. Which means I think if you get 3,000 hours and you get partially monetized, it means they could put ads on they'll put ads on my channel and they'll make money and probably not me. 4,000 hours you get monetized, and I probably gotta make better videos. So oh well, it is what it is. I'll just keep making videos. I'm having some fun. But anyway, it's me having fun. Gonna like it. Hey, I can't please you all. But I do appreciate everybody for watching this. I appreciate the comments. And it's fun having a channel. It's just fun to do stuff. And I will get back to doing stuff because it's life gets in the way. I started during the pandemic when I had all the time in the world, and we were basically shut down and I had nothing to do other than, can't go anywhere because we're all going to die. So glad that's over with. So anyway, with that, 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. It's weekly what's new. I'll have more hopefully new for you next week. And if you see something new in the videos, you know I'm doing something new. So thanks for watching. Tools.